Hello, Showline. And hello to everyone watching from around the world. Excited to be back for this year's I/O. I think it's been an incredible year. We are taking a differentiated, full-stack approach to AI innovation. To understand the scale at which people are adopting AI, there's another great proxy, tokens. The fundamental units of data our models process, many representing a problem being solved. We were processing 9.7 trillion tokens a month across the surfaces, and fast forward to today, that number has jumped 7 times to 3.2 quadrillion tokens per month. We now have 13 products with over 1 billion users each. 5 of those have more than 3 billion users. Our Gemini models are a big reason more people are using our products and why they are using our products more. AI Overviews now has over 2.5 billion monthly users. And AI Mode has been a revelation, our biggest upgrade to search ever. In just a year, it's already surpassed 1 billion monthly users. Last year at I/O, the Gemini app had 400 million monthly active users. Today, we have surpassed 900 million, more than doubling in a year. People come to YouTube every day to ask a lot of questions. Ask YouTube entirely reimagines the experience. Say you want to teach your 3-year-old how to ride a pedal bike, and they already know how to ride a balanced bike. Just ask YouTube. With Docs Live, you can just verbally brain dump whatever is on your mind and let Gemini do the rest.
So I just remembered I'm doing an alumni talk tomorrow. I need to come up with some talking points to explain what I do for a living as a software engineer. Can you just pull my resume from Drive? Although that might be boring. Maybe can you come up with some funny analogies? Oh, and also, I think the school sent me an email. Maybe just grab the details from there, throw them at the top of the doc so I know where to go and what time to get there.
We have taken a fundamentally different approach with our training infrastructure. With JAX and pathways, we can now seamlessly distribute training across multiple sites, scaling across more than 1 million TPUs globally. This gives us the ability to create the largest training cluster in the world. To give you a live sense of what this speed feels like, here's a prompt on an upcoming Flash model if it were running on 8i. I'll ask it to create a Chrome Dino game, push submit. The response is generated in real time. As you watch, take a look at the tokens per second in the top right corner. The speed is pretty incredible, nearly 1,500 tokens per second. It almost took longer to write out the request, and the game is pretty fun too. There are 3 areas where I want to go deeper today to show you the progress in each: models, coding, and agents.
I'm excited to announce Gemini Omni, our new model that can create anything from any input. It combines Gemini's intelligence with the best of our generative media models for a new level of world understanding, multimodality, and editing. It's starting with video, but over time, Omni will be able to generate any output from any input.
As generative AI gets better, so does the need for greater transparency. Since launch, SynthID has now watermarked over 100 billion images and videos. We want more people to have easy access to these tools, so we are expanding both SynthID and content credentials verification to search and Chrome. I'm thrilled to announce that OpenAI, Kakao, and 11 Labs are adopting SynthID too. Today, I'm excited to introduce Gemini 3.5 Flash, our first in a series of models combining frontier intelligence with action. When compared to 3.1 Pro, Flash is better across the board, almost all benchmarks. 3.5 Flash is a very capable model, at the frontier and comparable to the best models, but much, much faster. It's in a whole league of its own in the top right quadrant. We've been using 3.5 Flash with the reimagined version of our agent-first development platform, Anti-Gravity, and it's dramatically accelerated how we build.
So using the new Anti-Gravity and Gemini 3.5 Flash, we asked our agent to take on what we consider to be a highly complex and impressive task: build a working operating system from scratch. Over 12 hours, 93 sub-agents working in parallel made over 15,000 model requests
and process 2.6 billion tokens to take an initially empty project to the core of a functioning operating system. But clearly, this isn't a real OS, unless I can play Doom. Now, if I try running Doom right now, it just doesn't work. Turns out that the OS is currently missing some necessary video and keyboard drivers. I have a prompt prepared. I'm going to paste it in. Anti-Gravity ended up doing a whole host of research, ended up writing over 100 lines of code, and then finally built the operating system. Let's take a peek and see if it works. Moment of truth. Amazing. This was made possible by the new sub-agent teamwork capability. We've optimized Flash to be not just 4 times, but 12 times faster in anti-gravity.
Gemini 3.5 Flash is available for everyone today across our products and APIs. We are also excited for 3.5 Pro. We're using it internally. It's showing great improvements. I know you can't wait to get your hands on it. Give us until next month to get it to you. Gemini 3.5 and Anti-Gravity are unlocking a new world of agents and agentic capabilities. We are super focused on bringing the power of agents safely and securely to consumers so that they work for everyone. Introducing Gemini Spark. It's your personal AI agent that helps you navigate your digital life, taking action on your behalf and under your direction. It runs on dedicated virtual machines on Google Cloud, and it's 24/7. And yes, you can close your laptop. It's powered by Gemini 3.5 and the Google Anti-Gravity harness, which allows it to perform long-running tasks easily in the background. Spark will integrate seamlessly with tools, starting with our own, and in the coming weeks with third-party tools through MCP.
We're planning a big block party. And you can see here, this is a pretty complex prompt. We want help grabbing all the RSVPs, keep a list of who's bringing what. Remember to email those neighbors who haven't signed up yet. And what's amazing here is Spark will go through step by step and again, work across the various skills and apps that you have. So the first one here, this is a live RSVP tracker right in Google Sheets. And Spark is amazing at just brain dumping things on your mind. Create a document with the top things my wife and I need to do for the kids before the end of the school year. We'll check in later, see how it's doing.
And now we're entering the next chapter of Google Search, where incredible AI features aren't just in search. Google Search is AI search, through and through. Now we're taking an exciting step toward this vision, where you'll be able to create and manage multiple AI agents for your many tasks right in search. To start, you can set information agents to work for you 24/7 in the background. And these will work with and alongside Gemini Spark to help you get more done. Say you're really into finance and you want to know more about big biotech stocks, but you want to know with PEs under 15, positive cash flows, and low debt, right when it matters. It connects directly to our real-time finance data, so you get up-to-the-second updates on stock prices and insights on the market the moment it moves. Now, when it does, your agent sends you an intelligent and synthesized update. It helps you understand what's going on, so you can separate the signal from the noise.
So Search now has the ability to help you create entire custom stateful experiences. Tools, trackers, dashboards. They're especially awesome for those long-running tasks where you want to keep coming back. Search proactively offers to build a weekend planner for me. And I've chosen to securely connect Gmail, Photos, and Calendar, and boom, here it is. Looks like it's ready. And below, it's got all of these cool restaurant reservations and beautifully laid out on maps.
People shop across Google over 1 billion times a day. Combine the scale of the shopping graph with our advanced Gemini models, and you get entirely new ways to shop. When it comes to agent e-commerce, we are focused on delivering 3 key building blocks. First, the Universal Commerce Protocol, or UCP for short. Our second building block, the Agent Payments Protocol, or AP2. Our final building block, the Universal Cart, a truly intelligent shopping cart. The moment you add a product, your cart goes to work for you in the background. Now, another game changer is how it applies intelligent reasoning. Let's say you're building your first custom PC. You see a motherboard with great reviews and just add that to your cart. Now, you already picked out a processor, but what you didn't realize is that the processor needs a motherboard with a different type of socket. Your cart catches this for you and suggests an alternative, preventing a problem you didn't really see coming.
Today has been a jam-packed Gemini day. We've completely redesigned the entire experience with Neural Expressive. We're shipping the brand new Gemini Omni model and 3.5 Flash model with 3.5 Pro coming soon. And you can now put Gemini to work. Thanks to new features like the Daily Brief, it's a personalized digest that's designed to be your first stop every morning, synthesizing information from across my inbox, my calendar, my tasks. It's finding the most important things for me to be aware of. And Gemini Spark. You'll remember at the beginning of the show, we sent a few tasks off, so let's go check in on them. This was our school year planning checklist, and I asked it, remember, to create a doc of all the things I didn't want to forget between now and the end of the year. And so I'll open this one up. And what's amazing about it is it takes advantage of all the Google Docs formatting. So I can immediately click in.
Whether you're a designer, an entrepreneur, or an artist, our products help shrink the gap between the moment you have an idea and the moment you create it. At its best, technology is a canvas for human creativity. Introducing Google Pics, a new product in Google Workspace. Pics is our image creation and editing tool that helps you create just about anything with the creative controls you want. You can hover over an element and click to remove it. You can resize an object to fit the frame, add or edit text, and translate all of it with just a few clicks. We launched Google Flow at I/O last year. Flow could only execute one prompt at a time. Now, your agent can take multiple actions all at once. It analyzes what's happening in the image, concepts the most compelling angles, and then, boom, a single image becomes 16 unique videos.
Today, I'm excited to announce that our first audio glasses will arrive this fall. The world's leading electronics company, Samsung, is building innovative new devices and experiences that set the bar for the whole industry. And we've been working to bring the best of Google to these glasses as well. These audio glasses have brought together the world's top eyewear designers at Gentle Monster and Warby Parker. They are designed to give you all-day help with Gemini that is spoken into your ear privately rather than shown on a display.
Gemini, can you actually put my usual order in at that coffee shop we just talked about?
Sure, I'll order you a nitro cold brew for pickup from Coupa Cafe on DoorDash.
Gemini is able to launch apps like DoorDash, then click through all the different option screens automatically to order her coffee.
I have prepared your order for the nitro cold brew from Coupa Cafe. Would you like to confirm?
Yes, please.
All of these advances show the staggering pace of AI progress. It's incredible. We're in a moment of immense promise, but also enormous responsibility. The whole reason I've worked on AI my entire career was because I saw it as the ultimate tool to advance science and our understanding of the world. I'm excited to announce Gemini for Science. It brings together a number of powerful AI tools to help accelerate research. Our new labs prototypes streamline daily scientific tasks. Whether it's staying on top of newly published papers, transforming research goals into usable code, or generating new hypotheses, Google's cutting-edge research and products will help unlock AGI's incredible potential for the benefit of the entire world. This technology will be a force multiplier for human ingenuity and usher in a new golden age of scientific discovery and progress, improving the lives of everyone, everywhere. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of Google I/O.